Hello 7th standard students, now I am going to start with your revision part. In the revision part 1, so first revision I am making the first one, that is first topic, you are comparing quantities. In the comparing quantities I am going to solve some of the questions from your exercise, that is first one is y is to 8 is equals to 13 is to 104. First you need to find the value of y. Second one, evaluate 25% of rupees 300, find the value. Third one, find the value of x, 8% of x is equals to 36. Fifth one, evaluate 50% of 1 hour, that is fifth one, find SP if CP is equals to rupees 800 and profit percentage is equals to 6 integer 2 by 3 percentage. So these 5 questions I am going to solve for your revision part. That is first one you are having as y is to 8 is equals to 13 is to 104. So y is to 8 is equals to 13 is to 104. So first we have to do, so first see, so these are called as means and these are called as extremes. These are called as extremes, that is y is to 8 is equals to 13 is to 104. So see here, first you multiply this, that is y into 104 is equals to 8 into 13. Y into 104 is equals to 8 into 13. So that is y is equals to 8 into 13 divided by 104. So again this is 13 ones are 13 8s are. So again 8 ones are, so this is 8 ones are. So y is equals to, you will get as 1. So first thing what you will do, first you have to multiply this, y into 104 is equals to 8 into 103. So such type of problems you have to solve from your exercise. Okay. Second one you are having as evaluate, that is 25% of rupees 300. Evaluate 25% of rupees 300, that is 25 divided by 100. 25 divided by 100 into 300. 25 divided by 100 into 300, which is equals to 0, 0 get cancelled. So this is 25 3 is a 75 rupees. Okay, one more example, if I take such type of example, that is I write 80, that is 5% of 2 kilometers. 5% of 2 kilometers. So I already know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So similarly 2 kilometer is equals to 2000 meter. Okay, so that is we have 5 divided by 100 into 2000. So 202 get 2 can cancel. So remaining is, that is 20 into 25 is that is 100 meter. So such type of examples you have to take your textbook and you have to solve yourself in your home. So such type of examples you have to solve by yourself in home. Okay, so see here one more question I will solve for, that is third one you are having as, that is find the value of x, that is 8% of x. 8% of x is equals to 36. 8% of x is equals to 36 means 8 divided by 100 into x is equals to 36. So this is the, so now this see 8 divided by 100 into x. So see here x you have to keep as it is, that is x is equals to 36 into 8 divided by 36 into 8 divided by, that is 36 into 100. 36 into 100 divided by 8. So that is x is equals to, you have, so this is 2 4s are 2 5s are 10. So again this is 2 2s are 2 25s are. Again this is 2 1s are 2 1s are 1 remains 2 8s are. Okay. So again you are getting as 18 into 20. So you are getting as 18 into 25. So that is x is equals to 25 into 18, you will get as 450. So x is equals to, you will get as 450. So one more question I am going to solve, that is fourth question, that is 50% of 1 hour. 50% of 1 hour is equals to 50 divided by 100 into 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes it is 0 0 get cancelled. This 0 0 get cancelled. So remaining is 6 5 30. So this is 30 is your required answer. So now we have one more question, that is find SP if CP is equals to rupees 800 and profit percentage is equals to 6 integer 2 by 3 percentage. Once again here, find SP if CP is equals to rupees 800 and profit percentage is equals to 6 integer 2 by 3%. Okay, so see here once again, that is given CP is equals to rupees 800. CP is equals to rupees 800. Profit percentage is equals to 6 integer 2 by 3%. And now we have, that is SP I need to find. So that is profit percentage. I have the formula, that is profit divided by CP into 100. So that is, first you convert this in the form of improper fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, that is 20 divided by 3%. So, okay, so this is 20 divided by 3 into 800 divided by into 100. So again, if you change this, 20 divided by, that is 3 into 800 whole divided by into 100. Okay, so see here, this 2 gets cancelled. So 28 is 160 divided by 3. God has value 160 divided by 3. So now we have SP is equals to CP plus P. Now we have SP is equals to CP plus P. That is CP is equals to, you have, that is how much, 800, and profit you have as 160 divided by 3. Now see here, your LCM is 3. This you multiply with 3 and this here multiply with 1. So this you get 2400 plus 160. Just add this. If you add this, you are getting as 2560 divided by 3. So again, if you convert this in the form of mixed fraction, you are getting as 853 integer 1 by 3. Okay, so see here once again, first given, find SP if CP is equals to rupees 800 and profit percentage is equals to 6 integer 2 by 3%. First write the given thing. CP is equals to rupees 800. Profit percentage they are given, that is 6 integer 2 by 3%, which is equals to 20 divided by 3%. That is SP is equals to, that you don't know, you have to calculate. Profit percentage is equals to profit divided by CP into 100. That is 20 divided by 3 divided by 800 into 100. It is 20 divided by 3 into 800 into divided by 3 into 100. That is, you will get as this 0, this 2 0 get cancelled. The remaining is 28 160 divided by 3. So this is your profit. Then you are having the formula as SP is equals to, that is CP plus P. That is 800 divided by 1 plus of 160 divided by 3. That is, LCM is 3. This you multiply with 3. This you multiply with 1. 800 into 3, that is 2400 plus of 160. So after adding this, you will get as 2560 divided by 3. So this is in the form of improper fraction. Convert this in the form of mixed fraction. So mixed fraction you are getting as 853 integer 1 by 3. I hope so you understood these problems. So now you are having as one more question from the comparing quantities, that is unitary method. In the unitary method, that is the cost of 7 CDs. The cost of 7 CDs is rupees 560. Find the cost of 12 such CDs. So see here, first see a cost of 7 CDs, that is given cost of 7 CDs is rupees 560. Cost of 7 CDs is rupees 560 and cost of 1 CD I need. That is cost of 1 CDs. We don't know, that is 560 divided by 7. Okay, so this is 7 ones are 7 8s are, that is 80. That is the cost of 1 CD is rupees 80. I need the cost of 12 CDs. That is cost of 12 CDs. So that is cost of 12 CDs is equals to 80 into 12. So you know that 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. That is rupees 960. So rupees 960 is your required answer. Okay, first see what I do. The cost of 7 CDs is rupees 560. Find the cost of 12 such CDs. Given cost of 7 CDs is rupees 560. Cost of 1 CDs is equals to 560 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 8. That is 780. So I will get as cost of 1 CD is equals to rupees 80. I need to calculate for cost of 12 CDs. Cost of 12 CDs is equals to 80 into 12. So that is 12 8 is 96, 0 as it is. That is rupees 960. So this is very important video for your further examination. So I hope so all of you have watching the mathematics videos. Thank you.